Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. Viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a beautiful collection about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are unique and beautiful, which is very colorful and looking so adorable. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos, share my videos also. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.